Welcome to the lesson on title block elements. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to explain the significance of a title block in a blueprint and recognize its various elements. They will understand how the title block serves as an important information hub, containing essential details about the blueprint. Learners will also be able to identify the specific elements within the title block and comprehend how these elements contribute to effective document management and clear communication in technical drawings. In order to gather the necessary information about a blueprint, a title block is used. Title blocks provide general information about the blueprint that should be known before using the content of the blueprint itself. A title block, which is normally placed at the bottom right corner of the drawing sheet, provides the details for easy understanding of the drawings. The recommended total length of the title block is 180 millimeters. This standardized area contains essential information for identifying and managing the drawing, including details such as the project name, drawing number, revision history, and approval status. The consistent format of the title block allows for quick reference and maintains documentation uniformity across various projects, facilitating efficient communication between different departments and stakeholders involved in the design and manufacturing process. Let us look at some of the important elements that are present in the title block. The leftmost large box is the location for the owner name, which includes the name of the owner of the document. It could be the company, enterprise, or the person who owns the drawings. To the right, arranged from top to bottom, is the document status, indicating whether the drawing is pending approval, released, or withdrawn from production. Another element is the identification number, a unique identifier assigned by the company. This number not only distinguishes the drawing, but also adheres to a standard naming convention, facilitating easy retrieval from storage. The revision number in the title block indicates changes made to the initial drawing, incrementing with each official issuance. This field may use a combination of letters and numbers following the organization's specific standard. The date of issue specifies when the document was formally released for use across various departments, ensuring everyone works with the most current version. The sheet number provides an easy way to organize and reference multiple sheets if the drawing spans several pages. This numbering system helps maintain order and clarity, especially for complex projects requiring extensive documentation. The area above the title block contains several important elements that provide context and accountability for the drawing. The responsible department is listed, indicating which team is in charge of creating, revising, and maintaining the drawing. This information is important as any proposed changes must be routed through this department. The technical reference section identifies an individual or department with comprehensive knowledge of the diagram, serving as the go-to source for any queries related to the drawing. The creator field names the person who either made the initial drawing or implemented subsequent changes. Continuing from the previous information, the title block also includes an approval person section. This lists the name of the specialist who reviewed the drawings, and if multiple people were involved in the review and approval process, all their names should be included. This ensures accountability and provides a point of reference for any questions about the approval process. In the center of the title block, two elements are found. The document type specifies whether the drawing is a schematic or pictorial representation, helping viewers quickly understand the nature of the information presented. Adjacent to this, the title describes the content of the drawing. Often, a supplementary title is provided below the main title, offering additional details about the drawing's subject matter. The change block is defined as that area in the blueprint that includes all changes and revisions made to the initial print. The change block will be present in blueprints whose revision number is greater than 0. The change block is relevant in all blueprints to accurately track all the changes made on the blueprint along with the person who made the change or the initials. When a specification of a particular part is changed, even if the change is minor, instead of making the exact change in the line, it could be indicated in the change notes. For instance, a minor change, like increasing a dimension by 0.005 inches, can be noted here rather than directly on the blueprint. This block typically includes the following key elements: revision number, a sequential identifier for each change; drawing location, which specifies where on the blueprint the change occurs; change description that briefly explains the modification made; date when the change was implemented; name or initials to identify who made or approved the change. In summary, a title block provides the details for easy understanding of the drawings, including information such as the owner of the blueprint, the title, the date of issue, and any revisions made. Typically, the title block is located at the bottom right corner of the drawing sheet. It is important to be able to find this information about a blueprint before using its contents. A change block is a designated area on a blueprint that records all revisions made to the original design, including the revision number, drawing location, description of changes, date, and responsible person's name or initials, ensuring a clear and traceable history of modifications. Thank you.